Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here the market is still going here and it give us higher highs. So should we enter now? Should not? In that video, guys, I'm going to tell you everything depending who you are. If you are a long-term investor, you want to enter from the right place. If you are a swing trader, you want to enter from the right place. If you are a scalper and day trader. So watch all the whole video. So also we're going to start the Bitcoin from the daily 4 hours, 30 minutes, guys. So make a close eye with us, guys. And even we tell you the fundamental and news which is coming. So like that, you're going to have a very clear picture for you guys. So let's start, guys. So the first thing, guys, here, what you see in here, what that candle indicating to you, it's indicating us we're going up. But if you're seeing down, the volume is not that much, guys. So here in the daily, it's not yet, guys. It's still early. And I tell it to you, look at it and look at that one. It hasn't even came to it here. And what me I told you here, at that level where we are now, I told you the market is going to go till here, guys. It's left for it a little bit like that. So let's say in the coming days what is going to bring for us, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. So and that week it's coming very stronger news, guys. So you need to make a close eye at it. And there is bad news today and good news. The bad news, the Fed, they said they are not going to stop tightening or hiking interest rate. So that's very bad. And they said they are going to increase it by 75%. So that's meant us we're still in very bad moment, guys. So all that correction, it's not right. There is something wrong happening here. So you need to make a close eye at it, guys. And here, look what the market tried to give you, guys, here. What the market tried to give you here. You see it? The market tried to give you here a wage. So you need to make a close eye at it, guys. Either to break up here or to break down. So all still now, we don't need to enter yet, guys. And me, what I got in my chart, guys, let me show it to you. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin, guys. Every day 2 videos. So like that, you're going to be updated what the market doing right now, guys. It's very simple. A red button down, click at it, it will become gray. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be subscribed to our channel, or you can even join our Telegram channel. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified more quicker, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. And let me show you my chart, guys, now. Here it is, my chart, guys. As you see it, let's zoom it a little bit. That one here, that white one, that one, the long-term trend, guys. And that level here, as you see it, me, how I done it. And because me, I know it, from here is going to make a correction. And now as you see it, guys, it's breaking for us here, that channel us we used to have. So now how we're going to be sure is going to go higher, guys, either to come here a green candle and to breaking for us inside that level, us we're going to be very sure the market will go in higher, and like that is going to give us here in that level here a smaller double bottom, guys, like that. And that one is going to be a very good signal, or from here to come back a red candle and to go back inside, guys. That's what me I told you. You are in a very criteria moment, guys. So you need to make a close eye at it, what the market is going to do, guys. Don't be trapped. Don't put your money, guys. You are a retail trader, guys. You're a retail trader, my friend. Let the big whales to be trapped, because those ones, they got money to lose. You don't go. That's what me I tell you, my friend. You, even if you enter from here late, is better for you to enter from here than the market to fall down to down, guys. Everything is too clear, because in that level here, look at it what you got. Could have very stronger supply and demand. You are down in the trend line, and we show you in the weekly and the monthly, all of them, they indicating you are in a downtrend. So now, guys, here in the daily, maybe that one just a small correction, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let me show you the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, guys, here, that the coming news for tomorrow, that one here, in that square. So what we got here? We got that ADP non-farm employment change. And in Friday, we got the unemployment rate of USA, guys. That one is the most important one, guys. That one is going to tell you if the Fed is going to increase interest rate more or it get here target they being aiming for, guys. Them they aiming to get 4.4% in employment rate. So let's wait until Friday, guys. I tell that to you. I told you waiting all that week, guys. So on Friday, you're going to make a decision, and the decision of you is going to be right, my friend, not now. Now it's still very, very early, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And another thing, my friend, look at it. What you got here? Here, what you got? What those ones they showing to you? What is going down, guys? Is US dollar. The VIX, how much it's showing, guys, here? 29.07, guys. It's still very early, guys. Still very, very, very early, guys. The VIX is 29.07, guys. It doesn't drop that much. Yesterday it used to be 30, now 29.07. Look at the US stocks, guys. What they showing? All of them, they are going up. I tell you that, guys, it might that one just a trap. And you seen what's happening in the world. It might the Swiss franc or the Bank of Switzerland is going to collapse. UK, they got million problems. European Union, they got million problems. That things is not right, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. And here, my friend, who make that market to move is that one, guys. That one, as you see it, in the price 720 million as Bitcoin balance hit all-time high, guys. That way you seeing that Bitcoin is going up because that company is getting some money and it's buy by add the Bitcoin. But the only reason, guys, those ones, they don't buy them for 1 day or 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. Those people, they buy them for long term, guys. And you are a small investor, my friend. Still very early for you guys. Still very early for long-term traders and swing traders, not for 4 hours or 30 minutes. Those ones, scalpers and day traders and swing traders, those ones, it's okay to earn in that profit. I think everything is too clear, guys. Let's go back now to the chart to show you more. What is it there? So I think everything is too clear here. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Helping us, guys, just by smashing the like button and writing for us down a comment, helping us. You know, without you, that channel will not be here, my friend. So please, supporting us just by a small thing, by just liking the video, writing down a comment. It will not even take you 1 second, my friend. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Now let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here, our indicator, guys, as you see it, where we are. You see it or no? Where we are, guys? We are here in the long-term trend. Also, we've been following from 2021, guys. We are in it. Look at it, guys. Now, either from here to break it or from here to go back inside, guys. Should you buy now or no, my friend? I'm talking about investors. Should you buy? Of course not. You are in a very stronger level, guys. You are in a very, very stronger level, guys. Don't buy now. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, if you remember, guys, what me I told you about it here, about that indicator of us here before. We used to have here a divergence, guys. Yes or no? Like that. Very clear divergence. And you used to have here one here. Look at it. It's very clear. Look from that peak to that peak. Very clear divergence. So it's like a double divergence, guys. Let's make it like that. Should you buy? What else we saying? Because I know some people, they are that just the first time of them here. So also what we said, guys, we said very stronger supply and demand zone. You are in it. We're in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Our indicator is it at the oversold area, and it's giving us here a divergence. What is it? The third thing, guys, us, we focused a lot about it, is the price action, guys. The price action we have here, what is it? We have that one, guys. Did it break it here? Not yet. When it's going to break it here? Me, the first person, I'm going to tell you, guys, enter long. Now it's still early, guys. Now it's still very, very, very early. Everything is too clear, guys. And yes, also we tell you we got here a head and shoulder like that, and we tell you, but that one we said is going to go just till here. Where is that level where it is now? But for long term, that one, guys, it's need the price to come to break for us that level here. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter, guys. And may I tell you all those things before? I told you from here it might just to come to it here, then after that it's going to drop. And I'm going to update you tomorrow, guys. So it's very simple. Just make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So also when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So now let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and here, from here, for the people they been following us, also here we give them to enter in a signal, guys. We give you to enter here in that 4 hours. Where is the signal? Used to be here. People they following us, we told you to enter from here. Yes or no? And we told you here at that level where you are now, the one that last peak, we told you to take some profit and to try to protect yourself to move the stop loss up, guys. Yes or no? Why? Because we told you, look at that level here. Look at it. Me, I will start from backward, from here. Look at it. You see it or no? I started from here and here and here and here. And now you are in it, guys. It might, from that level here, the market will go upward, guys. Because there is no one know exactly what's going to happen. Or it might from here to go back down, guys. That's why I told you in that level here, try to take some profit. Yes or no, my friend? Now, what is it? Should you buy? Should you sell? If you're buying from here, now you're just moving the stop loss upward, guys. You try to protect yourself. And me, what I got in my chart. Let me show it to you. In my chart, guys, what I got. I got here that level very stronger here. That channel here, by the way, that one is not very stronger. The stronger one is that one up here. Is it that one? So either from that level here, and I'll show you that level in the previous, guys, to go back here to that yellow one, to prove to us that level here, after it's being broke, now it's going to become like a support, guys. Then after that to go up, or that one is just a fake breakout, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see our indicator, guys, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, look at it, where we are. Look where you are, where you are. The last peak, same like the chart. Last peak, you are in it. Now either from here to go back here to that wall we have here, or from here where we are, we're going to upward, guys, till here, till the overbought area, guys. Now what you need to do, I told you what you need to do. If you enter from the signal us we give you, by the way, the signal it was here like that, it's breaking here, we'll have you enter, guys. And me, I told you wait until here. When it be in here, I told you to enter. Now you are in profit, guys. Now what you need to do, to take some profit and start moving the stop loss of you, guys. Up and up and up, following the market. What is going to do? The time when it's going to reverse, you're going to be in profit, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it. Where you are. You are at the overbought area, guys. Second thing, what is it? You are in a very stronger level, guys. Price action, there is no price action here. Actually, the price action which is here, is it that one? Is a cup and handle. And that one is a bullish signal, guys. If it's breaking here up, that level here, you're going to see the Bitcoin here, at that level here, guys. If it's not, if it give you here maybe a W or a double top or something, it's going to fall down. Till now, us we still in an uptrend, guys, here in the 4 hours. So for swing traders, us we still in an uptrend, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see for scalpers and day traders. What is it there? By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Please. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes, and here in 30 minutes, what did I told you in the last video, guys? Look at it. Very, very clear here in 30 minutes. And what that 200 moving average here is showing to you, guys. You are in a flat market, guys. Here in 30 minutes, I'm talking me. And another thing, what did I told you here you have in the last video, guys? I told you have here a wage. Yes or no? Here in 30 minutes, give us a price action, guys. Yes, it give you here a small W here in that zone, but it's not that clear. Also, we put in just that wage here. Now, if it's breaking down, guys, enter short. Here in 30 minutes, I'm talking about scalpers. Where is the take profit? Down here, guys. Here down. Why? I'm going to tell you why, guys. First things, what is it? Very stronger level. Yes or no? Second thing, what is it? Our indicator, guys. Where we are here in our indicator. We are at the overbought area, guys. Yes or no? So you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Our indicator, it's saying you are at the overbought area, guys. The chart thinks, what is it? Is the price action, guys. Yes or no? Like that. Give you there a wage. Like here. When you used to be here, what I told you here. Here, what I told you here. When we used to be here at the oversold area, guys. I told you we got here like a trend or like a channel. I told you when it's breaking here, you enter long. So when you enter from here, look how much it went up, guys. Now the same thing, guys. Here you are at the overbought area, guys. And the one here, if it came down here and breaking the lower of that wedge, also withdraw it. It's very simple. Look at it. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. Look at it, guys. You came to that low, that one, and you try to connect it, those dots, that dot with that dot, and you came to the top from that one like that. That's a wedge, guys. Here in 30 minutes, if you go to 5 minutes, it's going to be very clear for you. So now, if it's breaking the lower of it, you enter short, guys. Here in 30 minutes, I'm talking about scalpers, because scalpers also enter in a lot of times. Everything is too clear, my friend? So, that's it for today's video, guys. See you after New York opening, guys. Bye for now.